Sewage treatment plants on ships. Sewage treatment plants on ships are essential for managing wastewater generated on board in an environmentally responsible manner. There are different types of sewage treatment plants, and their construction, operation principles, and maintenance procedures must comply with International Maritime Organization (IMO) regulations. Types of sewage treatment plants on ships. Activated sludge plants. Construction consists of aeration tanks, settling tanks, and sometimes secondary treatment processes. Operation involves the use of aerobic bacteria to break down organic matter in wastewater. Principle: activated sludge promotes the biological degradation of pollutants. Membrane bioreactor (MBR) plants. Construction combines biological treatment with membrane filtration. Operation utilizes membranes to separate solids, allowing for higher treated water quality. Principle enhances solids removal and produces a higher quality of effluent. Sequential batch reactor (SBR) plants. Construction consists of a single tank with alternating cycles of filling, aeration, settling, and decanting. Operation utilizes sequential batch processes for biological treatment. Principle achieves biological treatment in a controlled and sequential manner. Principle of operation. Sewage treatment plants on ships operate based on biological treatment processes. Microorganisms, typically aerobic bacteria, break down organic pollutants in the wastewater. The treated water is then separated from the solids, and the resulting effluent is discharged overboard or stored until it can be properly disposed of in port. IMO regulations on overboard discharge. The International Maritime Organization (IMO) has established regulations to control the discharge of sewage from ships. The key instrument is MARPOL Annex 4, which sets standards for the design, construction, and operation of sewage treatment plants on ships. The regulations generally prohibit the discharge of untreated sewage into the sea within specific distances from the shore or in certain maritime zones. According to Annex 4 of the MARPOL Convention, discharging ship sewage is generally prohibited. Exceptions are only applicable in compliance with Regulation 11 of MARPOL Annex 4. In general, a differentiation is made between passenger ships and other types of ships and whether or not the ship is located in a sewage special area. For example, in principle, ships other than passenger ships may discharge ship sewage. 1. If it was previously treated in a sewage treatment plant. 2. If it was treated with a sewage comminuting and disinfecting system and the ship is not less than 3 nautical miles away from the nearest land, or 4. If it is discharged from a holding tank approved by the administration with a moderate rate of discharge and the ship is en route with a minimum speed of 4 knots and not less than 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. Maintenance procedures. Proper maintenance of sewage treatment plants on ships is crucial for their effective operation and compliance with regulations. Some common maintenance procedures include regular inspections. 1. Check for leaks, corrosion, and proper functioning of components. Inspect tanks, pipes, and valves for any signs of damage or wear. Cleaning. 2. Remove accumulated sludge and solids from tanks and chambers. Clean filters and membranes as per the manufacturer's recommendations. Calibration and testing. 3. Calibrate sensors and monitoring equipment regularly. Test the treated water for compliance with discharge standards. Spare parts replacement. 4. Replace worn-out or damaged parts promptly. Ensure that spare parts are readily available on board. Crew training. 5. Train the crew on proper operation and maintenance procedures. Provide guidance on responding to alarms or system malfunctions. Record keeping. 6. Maintain a log of maintenance activities, inspections, and any issues encountered. Document any repairs or replacements undertaken. By adhering to these maintenance procedures and complying with IMO regulations, ships can effectively manage sewage treatment, protect the marine environment, and ensure safe and sustainable wastewater disposal.